The Comporta 107 house, a masterpiece by dEMM Arquitectura, is a harmonious blend of nature and architecture, nestled amidst the pristine pine forests and rice fields of Comporta. Situated on a plot of land shaped by sand dunes, this beach house is a testament to the region's raw beauty and the rich biodiversity that flourishes there. Inspired by the deserted, wild beaches, the architects sought to recreate this untamed environment within the house itself. The design revolves around two pure volumes, crafted from wood and concrete, that offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. These volumes are strategically placed to allow the natural beauty to permeate every corner of the house. The ground floor, clad in wood, features a series of patios that seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor spaces. These patios invite the sand and dune vegetation to encroach upon the social areas, creating a sense of immersion in the natural world. The concrete volume on the first floor, supported by just 2 points, further emphasizes the transparency and openness of the design. This innovative structural solution allows for expansive living and dining spaces that can be completely open to the outdoors, blurring the lines between inside and out. The biophilic approach is evident throughout the house, with carefully selected local plant species adorning every room. The exterior spaces, including terraces, balconies, and gardens, are designed to enhance the natural beauty of the site. The continuity of materials and design between the interior and exterior spaces creates a seamless transition, drawing the eye to the vast pine forest and the meticulously landscaped dune vegetation that surrounds the pool. The oversized interior spaces, coupled with full-height windows, flood the house with natural light and offer stunning panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. This harmonious interplay between interior and exterior spaces brings the beauty of nature indoors, creating a truly immersive living experience. The choice of materials is equally impressive. Exposed concrete, with its ability to convey both weight and lightness, is used in conjunction with uniquely textured wood, corten steel, and large sand-colored natural stones that feature fossilized fragments, reminiscent of the nearby beaches. These materials not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the house, but also contribute to its durability and sustainability. The Comporta 107 house is a remarkable example of contemporary architecture that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. It is a place where one can truly appreciate the beauty of nature and experience the tranquility of a secluded retreat.